Hey you guys. Hi you guys, this is Wednesday, so we're going to do a little chit chat here. I am actually going to go ahead and show you how I use that rice paper to make where's the book that I was making? Ah, here it is right here in my face. Yeah, how I actually adhered this rice paper to this book and the Bible verses. And I'm going to go ahead and make a little, I don't know, it'll be a hanging something. So what I do is I showed you all where I got these little, they're 1 yard printed muslin. I got it from Walmart. Let's see if I have one over here. And you could even make these yourself. Just stamp it. Get some of that muslin I told you about. This. And just stamp it, and you can stamp it any color you want. You could even use this muslin as your page. Yeah, this looks like it has a very small piece of something in it, but you could take some felt and put this on top of it. Take one piece of felt, put it in between, and sew it if you just want it to look like this. These are pages from the Maya Road book. Okay, you can actually make that yourself, but the Bible scriptures I showed you, you get in a 1 yard piece. Looks like this from Walmart. And it is like $5.47. And it has loads of these Bible verses on. Okay, so I'm going to show you how I actually put this together. Only because someone requested I show them how to make it. And I figured and I'm going to hang this, so I'm going to put it this way. I thought to myself, since I couldn't make everybody a book, because I'm making the one that I have as a gift, that I could actually do everybody a page, something small that they can maybe hang on their desk or something. But what I'm doing is adhering this to this page right here. Alright you guys, I know this will take a minute, and if I knew how to edit really well, I should be trying to figure that out. But that will come when I get time. Right now, I told you all I'm getting ready to move. Yes, I'm getting ready to make this final. And I'm going home soon to get my house packed up. And I hope that is a kind of smooth process. Because, yeah, I'm having to get that done. Okay, so I actually adhere it just like that, and it dries. It dries clear like this. Alright. Now once it dries, what I do is, I still need this, so I'm going to leave it there. Let me stick it in water. Yeah, let me put the top on this. And what I do is, I'll take that rice paper. Let me find a piece, because I have some that's torn already. Here it is right here. I'll take the rice paper and I'll just see how it fits on here, or sometimes I'll just I'm going to tear it. Yeah, because I don't have any torn. So I'm just going to tear it like this so I can fit it on here, and I'll see how it fits around, and then I'll start taking pieces and putting it on there. Yeah, see, I have to go. I'll do this, go all the way down and do the sides. So let's do that. Let me put a little water there. And yeah, let's get that on here. And then I'll let it dry, and we'll do a second part to this video. But it's as simple as this, you guys. I tear the edges so that I could get, when you finish, you'll see it won't look like I cut it off, it'll look like it's kind of grew out of the words is on the background, if that makes sense. I don't know. Yeah, since I'm putting it on canvas, you can actually sew that on if you want to keep the stitching on here. But I'm going to end up covering it, the edges anyway, with lace, ribbon lace. Yeah, so what I'm doing now is just covering this book so it looks like those words kind of pop out. Let me put that here. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Sometimes I'll do the whole thing and just let it overlap and cut it later, and then use the little pieces on a next piece. But that's pretty much, or you could just take your, let's wipe this out. It may not do it so well with rice paper because rice paper has those threads going through it, almost like with mulberry paper. Yeah, matter of fact, that's what rice paper looks like. But I love the decorations. I did not know that Stamperia had all of the designs that they had. So I was talking to one of my girlfriends, and she went to the site and said, "Oh my gosh, Miss D, did you see these?" And I was like, "No, I think I got all of them that they had." And they had, pages of them. So check out Folda Bella if you're looking for this rice paper. I think it's great because I like doing the journals. I think these pages, this paper helps to get them done pretty fast. And yeah, I think you could use it how you want, so, which you can with all the kits. And I'm just tearing the edges off because I don't want it to look like I cut it and set it there. Yes, I want it to look as distressed as possible. So I'm just going to put that there. Alright, you guys, so that is how I actually adhered the wording, and I'll continue to do this until, like, here's a piece over here. I can easily tear this off, and I'm just making it wet. Tear this off, make sure it's wet. As you can see, it has threads in there, so I can put this piece somewhere else, and I'm going to put it right here in this corner. Yeah, so that's how you decoupage. And that's all I'm doing is decoupage like a napkin, except for the rice paper. You don't have to separate. It has the, it's stronger than the not the mulberry, because I think it is mulberry paper. It is stronger than the just plain decoupage sheets because, yeah, they're just on tissue paper, so it has thread going through it, so it has some strength to it. It won't tear evenly, but you can cut it, and that is what you get. When I come back, I am going to do this side. I'm gonna do the back side. I'm going to put the lace on, put a few embellishments on it, and I'll show you what a little, almost a fabric plaque. Yeah. Yeah, you guys, so wait, let's see. I covered these, so let me take that loose. Yeah, I'm going to just tear it off so it's still frazzled, but, so there you are, you guys. Yeah, so I'll come back. When I come back, I'll show you how to do the lace, and it's as simple as that, and then I'm going to string it, hang it, and show you something that would make a really cute gift right in time for Mother's Day. Alright, you guys? Okay, so I am going to probably finish this project up, do another video, and yeah, today, you know what, you guys? I broke my husband. I think I told you guys yesterday I really did break him. His back is out totally, so hopefully today he'll be feeling better. But yeah, right now his back is totally out, so he'll be here today, and I'm kind of babysitting. Yeah, So I'll probably run out because I did tell the lady I was coming to Tuesday morning. I'll probably run out, see what they have, if they have anything, and come back and just kind of keep doing projects. I'm trying to keep this space right here organized until I start moving about. But I'm gonna leave it just like it is when I go away to pack my house. I'm gonna leave it just like this, and when I come back, I'll probably reorganize the scrap space that I'll have inside and put this in there. So yeah, we'll get the dining room back. Yeah, so anyway, you guys, I'm going to go ahead and let this dry, and I'll do a part 2 and show you the rest of this project. This is great, and because I did not have not only time, but I just didn't have, I don't think I have enough of these here. I know I have them in my craft room at the house, but I don't have them here. So to make these, and you could do them with just the cardboard if you don't, if you want to just do them and you don't want to use the fabric. This was just one way of doing them, and I actually used the canvas. You can make your own with the canvas, and I showed you that. I even have some canvas at my house, rolls of it, that I can use to make these. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do that, just make a bunch of them, because I think they make the greatest gifts just to hang around, put in your craft room, put on your desk. It's small enough, it's not huge, you could make them bigger than this if you want to. So yeah, but anyway, you guys, I'll come back in a minute after I finish or start this. I'll go ahead and do the next video. Okay, you guys, thanks for watching. Thanks for all my new subscribers. Thanks for my everyday subscribers, or everyone that follows. Thanks for continuing to follow me, and I am going to try to get you another video today. This is going to be a Chit Chat Wednesday, so I am going to just kind of try to put a few videos out there and just chit chat with you, tell you about what's going on with me, because right now I'm in a planning stage. I have confirmed all of my, let's see, moving dates, and the day the van line is going to come, and the date the pickup is, and all that stuff, so yeah, I got a whole lot of stuff going on paper. Now I have to, I have to get it rolling because I have the date set. So, yeah, probably within the next couple of months, I'm going to say I'll be back and forth, and probably not as much as I'd like, but I will drop in every now and then, because I'll be, it's moving, and I can't wait to make this permanent. So, yeah, I am no longer living in 2 places, but hey. Anyway, yeah, you guys, I am going to go ahead and sign off, say bye, and I'll talk to you all later. Thanks for watching. Bye.